Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring for you this braids. It's called bob. So I think there is people there. You want simple things, you want to look, but you need the simple things. So I decided to bring you this. I hope you're going to find your design here. Okay guys, so like this, it really looks nice and it looks simple. Okay guys, and another way, this hair, it's really simple. If you want to style your hair, it's really simple. Look at this and this one, guys. So if you like to play this hair, I support you. I support you really, because this is so nice. You look beautiful and simple, and it's easy to styling and maintain. Okay, so guys, if you liked this video and you find here your style, please, you can drop your comment and you can tell me which style do you want to bring for you for next video. Okay guys, and another way, if you don't like for those styles, so for sure I'm still going to make a lot of video about the hair, I'm going to bring a lot of design. So if you don't want miss, you just subscribe and you say subscribe, click the bell so that when I post any video immediately you're going to get a notification. Okay guys, so guys, I think you like it and I thank you and appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching this video up to end. Not everyone can watch your video, but thank you so much. I appreciate you. So guys, see you for next video. So for our next video, I'm going to bring you beautiful, nice cornrows, any style, different style. So don't miss for next video. Okay guys, bye bye for next video. But I hope you're going to you're going to choose any style you want here. Okay guys, see you. Look at this. Okay, see you guys.